Okay, so I just thought I would mention this real quick. A quick observation. We had some flooding from a dishwasher, and I had to use my DeWalt multi-tool. And okay, so here's what I had to use. So these Milwaukee blades. It's a 3-pack of oscillating tool, multi-tool blades, right? You go to Home Depot and you get them for $34. Here's my receipt. It says $34.97 for 3 blades. But wait, I gotta tell you. Some guys were working on our windows, and he told me about the deal on Amazon. I got 52 blades for $29. Here they are, and they came right here. See? Comes with a plastic case. Bionzo. Yeah, it's not a name brand. They're all wrapped up. There's 52 blades in here. Here's the Milwaukee blade, and here's the other one. Okay, so here's the 3 for $34 blade from Milwaukee, and then this is the 52 pack for $29 blade. There's nothing special about these blades. It's a multi-material blade, and so is this. There's a link below for these blades, and I don't know how they can get away with selling this. It's crazy.